Here it is, you guys. Okay guys, we have finally hit 2,500 subscribers. That's awesome. I appreciate it. I appreciate all the new subscribers on the channel. I'd like to know what you guys want to see and what cars you are subscribed for. I'll give you guys a quick update on all the cars and future videos to come that I haven't done yet. Today is November 8th, I want to say. Yeah, November 8th, so you guys will be seeing this video very late as usual. I apologize, but I have a lot of content that has been recorded. It's just getting the time to sit down and edit it. And I had to go out and buy more memory cards because of how much I have. But Sentra, still here. Guys, be patient. I was talking to my friend this past weekend, and he is planning on putting the motor together. He thought I didn't have the bearings, and the bearings are there. So this will be back soon, and hopefully some content recorded. As far as the Galant, next video is actually going to be how to drain your fluid, so that will be the next video on this. The Galant, we're going to try to skip low 11s with it and go to high 10s, stock motor, on this same tune, so stay tuned for that. I'm over breaking axles at the track, so you can imagine what I'm going to do next. As well as I have a better transmission for it. I'll save that for the video, but that'll be a video on the transmission. Trailblazer has another transmission as well. The Integra is on hold. I haven't even driven it since the last video. It's just gets moved around my house, but there goes the transmission for that. I'm not going to go into details about the Integra. Just know it is coming, guys. It'll come eventually. The Audi is back for some more work, so Audi's parked across the street for now. So you guys will be seeing another video on the Audi. Trying to think, Trailblazer, bunch of parts. I haven't decided if I'm going to install some of these parts or sell some of it to get other stuff. But there's a lot of content to come. It's just a matter of finding the time and getting the funds for it. But the Galant's doing awesome. As you guys saw, Streetcar Takeover Roll Racing, it was doing 129 track. I'm excited. I'm excited to see what this thing does. But again, guys, thank you guys. 2,500 subscribers. It's freaking awesome. I already want to buy more projects, but at this moment, I need to afford these going on right now. So when this channel grows, there are 2 cars out there that I really want. There's a whole list of cars. I take the back. There's a whole list of cars that I want. So I think that'll be it, guys. So look out for the next few videos coming out. I've already told you guys what the next one's going to be. I do plan on redynoing it on the new tune. I want to hit 500 horsepower in the stock motor on this turbo. I think it'll be sweet. 55, 58 precision turbo. But yeah, guys, thank you guys again. Let me know what cars you want to see, what you're subscribed for, and based off the comments, I can help bring videos of those cars. Right now I'm all over the place because I have a lot going on. I have a lot of cars that need some work. So like I said, appreciate the support, guys. More videos to come, and let's see if we could get this sucker in the 10s stock block. I'm going for it. Thank you guys, appreciate the support.